Hello beautiful people, welcome to Remi's Fashion. My name is Remi. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert eyelets on a corset dress. So let's get started. I will be having an exciting online class titled Sewing 101, Master the Art of Pattern Drafting and Sewing Like a Pro, on August 2nd, 2023. As an added bonus, participants will receive a complimentary ebook called From Dream to Reality, a step-by-step guide to launching your fashion empire. For those interested, I will provide the link to the course in the description box below. Thank you. See you in class. You will only need a few supplies. I have my dress here, which I'm going to be showing you how to insert eyelets. I've sewn the dress. All I need to do is show you how to insert the eyelets. You will need this tool. This is used to install eyelets and so many other things. This is the tool we're going to be using today. With this tool, you will need a dice. We're going to be using this to insert the eyelets into our corset dress. So I have some eyelets here. You should have two pieces, the top and the washer. This is what the top looks like. This is the eyelet, and then you need a washer, and this is a washer. This is what it looks like. You need your tape measure to measure the spaces between your eyelets. You also need a soldering iron. So this is the soldering iron I'm going to be using. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. I've already put the holes on my corset dress. So I'm going to show you how to use the soldering iron on a piece of fabric. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to insert eyelet dice. This is called an eyelet dice, okay? So this will go at the bottom of this. This is going to go here, and then you can tighten it at the bottom here. This is going to go like this, and then this, the smaller piece is going to go at the top. I'm going to screw this at the top. So now I'm going to put on my soldering iron so that it heats up, and then I'll show you how to use the soldering iron to insert these holes that I made. So after heating your soldering iron, be careful not to burn your fingers, not to burn your hands because it's quite hot. You put marks and decide where you want your eyelets to be. You can decide you want them 2 inches apart or 1 inch apart, and then you put your hole. So with the soldering iron, it's quite easy. And then when I'm working on the soldering iron, I try to use a piece of board so that I do not burn my table. Okay, after deciding where you want the hole to be, you just use your soldering iron. You see, it's quite quick. See, you see how easy this is. And then try not to make the hole too wide so that your eyelets can fit in. You see how I just put it in? See how easy that is. If you want the hole wider, then you can put it even more. See how easy that is? So this is how you're going to put the holes for the eyelets. The soldering iron is quite easy to use. See how easy that was? So the next thing I'm going to do, since I've already added the holes on my corset dress, and I've done one, you see what it looks like once it's been done. So all we need to do is take your eyelets and then place in the holes that you've made. They are not wide enough, you open it more. But after putting this in, after inserting the eyelets on the right side, then I'll take my eyelet tool, I'll place this on it like this, so it's sitting properly. Then I'll take a washer, this, and then I'll place it on top, let it sit in, and then I'm going to press my tool. See, press it hard a bit, and then this is what we have. You see? So I'm going to insert the rest just like I did the first one. So I'll put this in, and then I'll put it on top of my dice like this, and then I'll take a washer and place on top, and then I'll press this down, and that's that one done. So I'm going to continue inserting them. If the hole is not wide enough, I'll open it up more. See how I inserted this? So I'm going to continue. I'm going to do the rest like that. You can even place the eyelet on the dice and then put your dress on it like this, and then take a washer and place on top. This is even easier. And then you press it down to lock it in place. See? See how This is all done. So I'm going to do the other side now. I'm going to do the other side. This is the easiest way. Place it on the dies, then put the hole through the dies, and then place the washer on top. So this is the eyelets all fixed. So the next thing is to lace the corset. So I have my corset lace here. So I'll just show you how to lace it. So I put this through here and this through here. I make them equal, and then I'll put one through here and one through on the other side till it's finished. This is our lacing. And that is how to insert eyelets on a corset dress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Take care and God bless.